Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Tatiana, your favorite new construction realtor, and I'm back once again with another new construction home tour. But before I get into today's tour, if you are new here or if you've been here for a while, go ahead and show some love by hitting that like button, and do not forget to subscribe for future new construction home tours. If you are in the market searching for a new construction home, you can visit my website at atlsnewhomes.com to search for new construction homes in the Atlanta area. So that goes to show that we are here in Atlanta, Northwest Atlanta to be exact, and we are touring Brock Built Homes. Now, I'm not too sure what the model name is, but I do know that this is home site 383, and this home features 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath with a 2-car garage around 2,800 square feet, and it's currently priced at $674,900. And guess what? This home is available for sale right now, which means if you don't have time to wait, then this is great news for you, and I can definitely assist you with that. My number is on the screen, so feel free to give me a call. Now, I love that this home has multiple levels and it's close to downtown Atlanta and Midtown. So I love that. I love the easy access to shopping, dining, and more. And you gotta love the food here in Atlanta. So I do hope that you enjoy this tour. And as always, leave a comment in the comment section to let me know what you think about this home. Enjoy.